Don't leave attack on me. But C0rruptio0n, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. C0rruptio0n. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently the dancehall superstar viewers and subscribers shared a post on his Instagram in which he shed some light on a situation that took place overseas. I feel like it have strong implication also on Vybz Kartel situation as well. Now, Vybz Kartel shared a video, viewers and subscribers, of Floyd speaking, and remember, they said Floyd was a gangster. Now the teacher is saying we have the receipts. And in this video that the teacher posted, viewers and subscribers, we heard the individual speaking not just as someone on the corner who have the mindset of a person who say, yo, I saw it for stay, who just a drop one another on the ground, bodies everywhere. It not sound like an individual of that mindset. Now the teacher also posted the caption. They tried to say he was a gangster, but I got the receipts. The system is very cunning. They kill the image / character, so the physical killing can be justified. Hashtag George Floyd. Now, viewers and subscribers, put this into perspective. This is the same situation that occurred with Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. After his unlawful incarceration, the system set out on a campaign to do what? Paint an image of Vybz Kartel in the public eye. And now we even see them take it to the media. First and foremost, let me use major tabloids locally. Like, you know what I mean? Or we call them newspaper outlets. They may paint certain images of the teacher, viewers and subscribers, and his impact of his music, not speaking to the fact that he had turned many individuals from the garrison into millionaires, inspired even many more, and also continues to do this presently. They never talk about that. Them talk about all the things that was taking place in a society in which we do not agree with, and then try to blame that on Vybz Kartel. Even in these later days with the people and the media, I try to blame every situation will take place in the island. Later on from this, then probably might say, or even things we are across the world, a Vybz Kartel plant. Yeah, they might even start to that later on. But I have noticed, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel's image and his character is what is being demonized, so that their unlawful incarceration can be justified. The teacher pointed out, we don't know if most only did see. No, there were lots of naysayers who run on. Some of them dark like cave at midnight. I talk some things, somebody I say, alright, he was someone who was involved in the adult movie industry. That no mean say not take up people things. He never had a grab chain or a pickpocket. He did involved in the adult movie industry. It is a lawful and sanctioned industry where them pay them taxes. It's not something illegal. It is quite legitimate. So, while you might not agree and you would not do that with yourself, what he was doing was not wrong. Now, someone also said black on black situation, and the teacher pointed out the individuals in Italy who are charged with crimes against, or violent crimes in Italy. Aren't those situations perpetrated against other Italians? In Canada, aren't those situations perpetrated against other Canadians? Are the same situation, viewers and subscribers, but them like me say black and black crime, like say, oh, yo, at the first time I see this is so strange. Remember, the brainwash is always active, and people have discrepancies with the people who are around them. You're not gonna fall out with somebody who you don't know. You might not like them actions, or you might not support them, but you and them not have nothing. You do not know them in person. But people who you know in person, and you have discrepancies and you have a fallout with them, then the thing is a different situation. That. So don't let the system, viewers and subscribers, overseas them call them all kind of names. The enlightened ones, the elite. Out here we just call them the system or the ruling class. Simply because majority of our situations occur because of classism, because of richer and poorer. Now you can make it into the upper class just by accumulating a lot of money, but you will also have to side with them. And things that I do not know, when in the upper class, when in the ruling elite, but notice it. The people who have transitioned from being just a regular common citizen, just a scrape by 9 to 5, and have made it into the upper echelons now where dollars are coming at a set pace where, they can live a different lifestyle. But notice, if you don't get with the status quo, and for those who don't know what the word status quo means, the way things are run. If you are not with the way things are run, then you will have to leave. You will have to step aside. Live your life in secret. Don't be the person who post and share and educate and inspire and don't do that something there. Because that is what them want to say. They say, alright, yeah, go against us. Now big up the brave individuals, viewers and subscribers who decide to watch, we're not about. And we still use the platform to do the right thing. We don't respond to what them want to say. Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, is an individual of this caliber. The reason why you hear so much negative things about the artists in the public space is because they're attacking the teacher's character and his image. When we say image, remember them talk about Vybz Kartel, not Adidja Palmer. Vybz Kartel is a stage name. Think about it, that is a stage name. There is no individual by the name Vybz Kartel in a register for no birth certificate. Nowhere. None of them youth them now have Kartel as them last name. Upon them birth certificate. So Adidja Palmer, the individual that they behind the bars. But what them use to justify putting Adidja Palmer behind the bars? The things them say as a dancehall artist. Now, when a dancehall artist in a Trinidad or a local lady sing them songs about wine up and them want to do this and them want man to do that to them, if something happen to them on the streets, we are going to say it's justified because of the type of song what they make? No, we can't say that. We have to say the actions of the persons who perpetrated the wrong actions were wrong. We can't say because she dressed provocatively and go out on the road that give you the right to touch her. No, that not give you the right to touch her. You can look, it give you the right for look, but not for touch her. So Vybz Kartel music, entertaining as it is, so entertaining that some people are saying, yo, this is too real. Yeah, you can say that, you can say too real, almost a true story, but it does not give you the right to persecute an individual because you feel so. Not because you feel so. You can't do that. That can never be justified nowhere, no how. There's no way you can justify persecuting somebody. The writers will write these writers back in the 17th century write all of those big books, whether it be about love, torture, all of these things. While we do know that some of these things were researched, because writers always say them do them research before them, start right. In Jamaica, our situations are practically public knowledge because they're not brawling. People see. So when somebody hearing that, inspired by that, and putting the music out there and saying, watch you know, these are some negative aspects where take place in our country. This is how life is like for people who live on the lane. For the people who associate with the people on the lane but live on the main itself. In point that out in music, he was never an advocate where I said this is how you should live. Majority of Vybz Kartel's hardcore dancehall tracks, he must say this is how me live, not how you should be living. The only time he said this is how you should be living is when the man telling us a Clark's pan foot, a Mercedes Benz are driving, a house uptown, a dollars in a pocket, that is how you should be living. But when he talk about the hardcore side of the dancehall industry and the Jamaican culture, he not say you feel live so. He say I am an individual like this. So why them try to say that? That's just music, viewers and subscribers. That's just the music. And what we notice take place in the music all the time is them ask entertainers to entertain. And then when entertainers have entertained, then they want to judge them feet. When these actors play these roles in these movies, crime bosses and things of that nature, do you see them as such on the streets? Alright, that is your opinion. Are they doing these things in real life? See, that is where the conversation becomes a conversation for debate. You can't scrutinize somebody based upon the song that them put out to entertain their fans. Whether you feel like it's true or not, that is not proof. The proof is in the pudding. Bake it. Vybz is the one called C0rruptio0n viewers and subscribers. And the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And if you're new to the channel, into the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon. Then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is going to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.